All right, welcome back, guys. If you're enjoying the content, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more updates like this. And this video is going to be about 5Real+LA Revo, LSPDFR, and also ENB and Reshade. So I'm going to show you guys how to install all of those today. And it may be pretty lengthy, I don't know for sure, but we're going to see how long this video takes. I don't want to make it too long, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, we're going to go ahead and go to the website right quick. I got it pulled up already. Well, I thought I did. Let's go ahead and type in the website right here, ACDynamic Revo, and you go to the website right here, and this is where you go to download. First, you got to become a Patreon. You got to be a Patreon first, and they have different memberships you can sign up for. And they should be down here. Okay, you got your $1.50 per month, $5, $8, $11.50, and each one of those they give you get different perks to each one, right? As you can see, if you read the description to each one of them, they all are different. Now every last one of these have different things, different packages that they're offering, right? Like the $8 one, you get the LA Revo only. And this one, you get the 5Real, which is the California maps and everything. So you scroll down, you get the LA Revo and the 5M. And then this one, you just get LA Revo plus the early access. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Let me look at it a little more deeper. I think so. I don't want to steer you wrong, but you get the you get the LA Revo 5M. On this one as well, and this one you get the 5M here and the Revo. So the reason I bought the diamond package was because I can get everything. You get the 5Real, also LA Revo, and 5M. You get everything in the diamond package. So that's why I decided to go with that one, but you can choose either one you want to. I'm pretty sure the steps are the same exact way as far as installing either one of these. So, and it should give you instructions anyway, so y'all just read over that if you decide to go with one of these here. So let's go ahead and show you guys. I got it downloaded so far. I got it downloaded right here. I already have it. So it's some people been having issues with this, getting it installed into their game. So let's see, let's go to my documents, and I have it here. So this is what it's going to look like when you download it. It's supposed to look like this, right? A zip file, and you should have a .z01 file. So if you come back to the website and you come to the home page here, whenever you become a Patreon, a member, you're going to have these options to download. So the first time I downloaded, I did these two here, the media file. So it pulled up two zip files. It had a zip file here, and this was a zip file, and it would not extract. It took me a day or two to figure out why it wasn't extracting, right? So, because normally when you got this in the same folder as this, it's supposed to extract, you know, just this one and not the other one. But I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. But anyway, come back to this website here. You download, what I did, I downloaded the media file part 1, and I downloaded part 2 up on Google Drive, and it pulled up the part 2 is the Z file right here. So once you have those two downloaded, you're going to click on the zip file and WinRAR and extract to right here. Click on this, and it's going to start extracting. Right, and I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this because I already have it. Let's go here. I got it on my desktop, so I'm gonna delete this since I already have it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, this is it right here. When you download, just click download one. Don't download the other one. Leave this one alone, right? Just download this zip file because it's gonna extract both files together anyway. And then you're gonna have this folder right here. And this have all of your folders and documents and everything right here on the inside of this folder, right? So you got Reshade, ENB, and the 5Real graphics. So, all right, this is where it gets fun. So let's go ahead and go inside this folder here. Once you got it downloaded, you want to install this onto a clean folder, GTA 5 game. Can't be no mods or anything in there. No LSPDFR, no nothing like that. You're gonna download the 5Real stuff first. So, and this is I got a clean version of GTA 5, but I'm not gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna pull that up. But anyway, let's come back to this. Let's see. Get a clean drive. Let's pull this to the side. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you right quick. Let me go to, let's see, let's go to this right here, installation. My clean GTA 5 should be in this folder, this drive, coming, and here. I made 3 backup copies. One is LSPDFR, just regular with mods, and I have LA Revo folder, and I also have a clean GTA 5 folder. So I have 3 copies of GTA 5. This is the clean one. Nothing in there, no mods, anything. So you want to take this right here. I don't think I'm going. Let me go ahead and get the OpenIV. You gotta have OpenIV as well. I forgot to mention that. You need OpenIV. You don't have to open it up, but you can if you want to. You don't have to open it up. So what I did was, let's go to main installation files. You gotta have 17 parts. 17 parts here. Okay. So, and the way I got mine to look like this, where it shows OpenIV, the icon on the side, I did this. I did open with, and I chose the app right here, and then they pulled it up. Okay, so that's how I got this icon on the side. That way, all you gotta do is just press, I'm not gonna do it because I already have it installed, but all you gotta do is just double click this part 1. It's going to automatically go to OpenIV, and it's going to come here, and you're going to click install, and then you're going to click install to your mods folder. I'm not going to do it because I already have it. Okay, and you're going to do that same thing for every last one of these, all 17 files. Every last one of these is going to download to the mods folder. And also, I think I forgot to mention, in OpenIV, let me come back. I went too far ahead. Let me come back. On OpenIV, you want to make sure you have everything installed as far as your ASI manager. Click on that, install all of these. It's going to be blue when you get to it, but when you click on it, it's going to turn green. Okay, and then it's going to automatically create you a mods folder. And that's where I got that from. I got too far ahead of myself, so just back up and do that first. Do this part first, and then come over here and install to your mods folder. Okay, so that's my apology. And let's see, once you get all this done right here, the 1 through 17 files, all these in the mods folder, come back and come down to the Realism. So if you don't want this, you don't have to have it, but I recommend having it. It's amazing. You're going to click this, double click that right here, and then install this to your mods folder. I think, is it mods folder or game folder? I cannot remember. Let me look at it and see. Let's click install right quick and see what pulls up. Yeah, it's the game folder. Okay, so the Realism script is going to go to your game folder. Okay, so once you get that, I'm back, and these are, let me see, the real graphics optionable. Okay, click on this here. You can download this as well, but in order to have this here, you need to have ENB and Reshade presets installed. I recommend that. Use their graphics. I think they said that if you don't want to use the 5Real graphics, I think you can use the 5Real graphics without the ENB Reshade, but I'm gonna show you how to do the ENB and Reshade as well. So you want to go to also, you want to also add in script_v inside of the LA Revo folder that you're going to copy everything to. You need the script_v. You don't need heap adjuster because heap adjuster is already installed onto their files as far as the Realism script. It already has it in there. you need so you need script_v, and you need, let's go to my game files right quick. I think you need the pack limit adjuster, and there we go, you need that, and resource. Where is that at? You need the resource adjuster. Let's go to the internet right quick. Let's type it in. You need this right here, resource adjuster. Click on that, go back, it's this one right here. You need this, and also you need your pack limit adjuster, and you need script_v, and that's all you need for those. The resource adjuster will keep your game from dropping, I think, the textures and everything, and if you don't have that, then your game will look like you will be missing the ground, and the buildings and everything will be missing and not pixelated, but it'll look like it's disappearing if you don't have the resource adjuster. That resource adjuster just clears everything up. I don't want to forget anything, so I think the script_v, the pack limit adjuster, resource adjuster, and let's go back to the file right quick. Okay, so back in here we got those installed, and so let's come here and add the real graphics. So ENB, go to this installation text file, and they have it already posted here for you. Just copy and paste this, copy that link, come up here, paste it. I'm just going to take it directly to it. Download the latest version, which is version 4.92. I mean 0.492. Right, once you download that, I already have it. We're not going to do it. Go ahead and get the reshade as well. Come to the reshade down here, click on this, boom, and then download the reshade. Okay, download that, boom, 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 and then come back once you get those two downloaded. Okay, let's see. You want to come back here, and now download the ENB first. So you got that downloaded. You want to copy, you want to put these files here inside of your main directory. So whichever one you want to choose from, the bright, real, ultra shine, heavy, ray tracing. I chose ray tracing. So once you get it ENB downloaded, it's going to look like this. I should have it already downloaded. Let's see. ENB. Yeah, I got it right here. I got it downloaded already. So let's come here and open my ENB. So you want to come up here to the wrapper version. You want to add all of these inside of your main directory of GTA 5, and you want to remove this one and this one. Don't add these two because you're going to choose from their files. So just drag those into your main directory of GTA 5, which is going to be right here. Drag those over there. Right. Okay. So let's come back. Let's delete this. I'll come over here to the, where's that folder go? Where's that folder? All right, 5Real. Okay. I got stuff all over the place. Let's see. Okay, we're back. So, depending on your PC, what kind of PC you have a 3070 or 3060 or 2780, however those numbers go. I have a 30. What I got a 3070 Ti, I think. Yeah. And so I added ray tracing to mine. I dragged these two files inside of my main directory of GTA 5. Okay, so let's come back over here, and that's all you got to do for that. ENB is done. Now reshade. The reshade, I chose ray tracing as well. But let's come over here first. Let's come to the where you got your reshade downloaded. It's going to look like this. I'm going to double click on it. You're going to run it, and you're going to browse. Go to your GTA 5 where your folder is, and you're going to click on GTA 5 right here. Click on that. Click on open and next, and also DirectX 10, 11, 12. There we go. Okay, so you want to uncheck all, and you actually want to browse. Click on browse, and once you click on browse, you're going to go to your where you have your 5Real folder installed, which is mine is on my desktop. So I come to my desktop, go to 5Real, and come to Real Graphics and Reshade presets. You can do ray tracing, click on this, or you can do FPS friendly, either one of those. When you click on ray tracing, click on this and open. If you scroll down, you should see they already have it set up already. This is what they have set up. Everything else is unchecked, right? Okay, and then you click next. I'm not going to do it because I think I don't want Reshade in my other GTA 5 folder. So I'm gonna leave it out. So click next. Once you do that, it's going to say finish, and then boom, you're done. So let's come back out. Let's leave this and let's do that. Okay, so now we are done with the Reshade. Reshade is installed. Let's skip. Cancel. Okay, so we got Reshade installed. So you got your ENB and you got your Reshade. So now you want to come back over here to the Real Graphics. Double click on the Real Graphics. 5Real Graphics. It's going to go directly into your, I think it's going to the mods folder. Let's check. Yes, this goes to the mods folder. The only one that goes to the game folder is the Realism script. So this goes to the mods folder. So we're done with the graphics. Now let's go over here to, we're done with this. We got this downloaded. Now let's go to add-ons. I recommend installing this, the graphics blur. This goes to your mods folder as well, I think. Let's see, let's double check. Yeah, that goes to the mods folder. The only way you'll know if it's going to the game folder or not, if it's a game folder, it's not. If it's the mods folder, it's not an option to check. Like the Realism script, it's no option to check on the Realism script, just straight game folder. So I recommend doing this because if you don't download this, then you will have like blurry, it will be blurry in the distance and sometimes up close. So if you install this, it removes that. And I don't have this downloaded. This I deleted. I didn't add the more vegetation, but you can if you want to. It just adds more, you know, trees and stuff to your game, and you may experience some FPS drops. That's why I did not install. I installed it, but I deleted it. So to uninstall that, if you do download it, come over here to delete add-on vegetation and just double click on this, and then this will delete it completely from your game. Okay, and just for future reference, everything else, if you install everything else, any one of these folders is going to your mods folder. Either one of these going to your mods folder. So now, what I did was I installed the less game fights, which means if you just leave it as is and leave it as is, you will have more game fights for no reason, just out of nowhere. So this, installing this, it lessens the game fights on the streets, and you can choose to uninstall if you want to. And I did install the LA Revo satellite map. I did this one, but you can do any one you want to. I recommend doing this one. It'd be less stress on your PC and also your FPS. So come over here to the radar and pause menu, install that, and that goes to your mods folder as well. Let's check. And FPS boost. This is a big one right here. It's a big one. Okay, let's skip this for now. Change density. I did not install this. I left it as, I think the original, what they have so far. It said this will make density of ambient pads and vehicles lower or higher. The default is the one that we automatically installed for you, which means the one that they have is the original. So I did not touch this, and this is your game config. If you don't know where your game config is located at, come over here. Let's go into OpenIV, and I have mine saved as a favorite. So let's see, game config. So your game config will be in your GTA 5 mods update.rpf. common and data, and you should see game config down here, right there. Okay, now all you want to do is take this and drag it over to this, and then boom. So any one of these you want to install Real LA or whatever, if you can handle it with your PC, then install it. And they all are the same thing, game config. Okay, so if I'm going too fast, if I'm missing anything, just add it down in the comments, because I'm trying to speed it up because it may be a long video. So try not to miss anything. So we got the vegetation taken care of. I didn't use Quant V, so I don't know how to install it. I'm pretty sure if you read through it, it'll guide you through it, but you don't really need it. But it looks great with just the ENB, Reshade, and their graphics. So I did not install either one of those, but if you want to, you can read through it. Okay, FPS boost with ENB or without ENB. So if you have ENB, which you're following my instructions on this video, you should have ENB. So let's go over here to the instructions. Okay, you're going to go to this website right here. Click on this. Just copy and paste this in the browser. It's going to take you here. You want to download this. You're going to need this for the ENB. I already have it downloaded. Let's go to my my downloads. I have it right here. So once you download that, it's going to look like this. You're going to drag and drop these files into your GTA 5 main directory. Both of these here. Okay, just drag and drop, or you can just do copy and paste into your main directory. Okay, so now okay, this file right here is GTA 5 FSR. It should be in your main directory. So let's come to my main directory over here. If you double click on it, if I can find mine, here it is right here. Double click this, and I'm going to change some things in there. You're going to where it says right here, change enable proxy false, change that to true. So it's right here, way at the bottom. Change this to true, change the proxy functions to true, and then also if you come back over here, you're going to the proxy library. You're going to copy and paste this right here. Okay, just like that. True, true, and then paste that right there. And you should be done with this. So you can close this out. Also, if you start the game, make sure you're on DirectX 11. Okay, and it says if your game is blurred after doing this, you can change the frame scaling to 0.667. Oh, here it is. Okay, you can set your frame scale to 0.5 first. Try that one first. If that doesn't work, then change it to 667. But I didn't do that because mine is fine just like it is. Just try it first and see what it looks like. And also, if you scroll down to the bottom, it says you will have if you have extremely dark screen with the huge black spots after you start the game. The next time, don't worry. All you have to do is press the pause menu and then press it again to cancel the pause menu, and it will fix itself. So I did not do none of those things below because mine did not have any issues, but you can see how yours look once you install these files right here. Now I think that should be pretty much it. Let's close this out. Let's come back to the 5Real. Let's see, we have everything installed. We did the density, we covered everything, satellite map, and the satellite map is okay. We did that. Now we are on to LSPDFR. I should have it downloaded already. Just go down. If you already got it downloaded, then you can go to where you have it downloaded at. I can find mine. Mine should be down below. Here it is. Okay, so open this. Hold up, let's close this out. Okay, open this up. Matter of fact, okay, let me go to the game. Let's come over here first. Let's go. I already have it installed, so let's come to it. Once you drag and drop your LSPDFR into the folder, right, into your main directory. You want to come down to where it says, let's go to the top. I'm sorry, here it is. Go to your LSPDFR folder up here, and you want to double click LSPDFR configurator. I don't want to mess with it in here. I want to go to my other game file, because this is my main one that I normally play. Let's come over here. So go to LSPDFR, double click this. You're gonna run it. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna click show license. You should show your license. Okay. I don't know why I did that, but anyways, it's supposed to work. You want to click do it for me. I don't want to do it because I don't mess anything up. So you want to click do it for me after that, and then I think you should be good to go from there. Just click finish, and that should be it. And now you want to come to your LSPDFR folder. You want to come to LSPDFR INI. Click on this, and you want to change some things in there where it says main preload all models. You want to change this to false. It's going to say true, but change it to false. Scroll down to where it says main disable multiplayer map. Change that to true. It's supposed to be yours say false, but change it to true. That means it will disable the multiplayer map when you go to the police station, and it's not going to show the police station. You don't really need it because you don't really use it anyway. So let's come up here to one more thing, the chase density traffic right here. You want to change this to true as well. Yours going to say false, change that to true. And then you want to click on save, boom, and you should be good on that. So once you have LSPDFR installed, you want to go to, I think that's pretty much it with the LSPDFR, and then you can just add your mods and everything you want to add. I think I'm missing something though. Oh yeah, ELS. So let's come back over here. Oh yeah, first you want to install the ELS first into your game, your game folder. I'm pretty sure you know where ELS is located at, right here. Click on this. Once you got that downloaded, just install all of this. I mean, not all of this, but I should have it downloaded somewhere. Install your ELS into your game folder. I don't know if I have it. Here it is, right here, ELS. Okay. Alright, let's do on that. Okay, all these files here. You want to install all of these files into your ELS except for the advanced hook V, because they changed that recently. So drag and drop these into your main directory, and you want to come back over here to ELS where it says here, it says please download advanced hook if you're using the game build 3258 or later. So just download, and then download this right here, and then drag and drop this advanced hook into your main directory once you get that downloaded. Okay, so now you got ELS installed. Come back to your 5Real folder and come back to add-ons. Click on LSPDFR, and then let's see, I don't think it matters if you do either one of these first. Let's go to this folder. Matter of fact, let's come to, okay, let's double click this. It shouldn't matter if you do either one or the other first, but you double click this here, and this is going to go to your mods folder as well. Okay, this goes to the mods folder. Okay, now the ELS, you want to drag and drop these files here into your, I think I did mine into my I drag and drop these files into my game for, I didn't go to OpenIV, I went over here, ELS, go to ELS into your main directory, pack default, and then boom, you drag and drop these files here into this, or copy and paste it, however you want to do it. I suggest copy and paste it because you'll have backup files for later. So we should be done, I think. I think we should be done. Oh yeah, one more thing. I think let's see, one more thing. Come back over here to the Realism script. Oh, matter of fact, it should be, if you come down, if you scroll down, you will find your realism script.ini. Click on this, and I changed some things in here. Being that I play LSPDFR, I removed the option for my character to drain, sleep, or whatever. So this is other characters though. I think yours is right here. Okay, if you want to change these things, you change it. You choose 1 is true, 0 is false. So I left it a little bit realistic. I left the hunger and the drunk state. So I removed the sleep state. I may remove the hunger state as well, but I don't know. It depends how I'm feeling. But if you don't want that into your game, it'll still show up. It'll still show up on the main screen, but it'll show everything full if you put it as false. So 1 is true, 0 is false. Let's see. I left my drain fuel as true, and this is the custom loadout. Their loadout, if you go into the game, it'll show a weapon wheel. If you don't remove these to false and you leave it as true, it'll show a weapon wheel with just 4 slots for weapons. I think, yeah, just 4 slots. But if you turn it to 0, which is false, it'll show the original GTA 5 weapon wheel. That way you can use your taser and all that stuff. With this one, if it's still set on true, they don't have a taser installed originally, so you gotta have your main GTA 5 weapon wheel for that. That's why I placed mine on 0 so I can use my taser, because the first time I did it, I just kept pulling out the gun and just, you know. Anyway, so let's see everything else. Umbrellas. Okay, umbrellas, I put mine at 0 because if you have it as 1, it's true. Whenever it rains, your character plays an animation, which is annoying. If you can try it for yourself. You can try it for yourself, but I left mine. I turned mine to 0. Let's see. I didn't touch this. I didn't touch this. I think that's pretty much everything that I changed. Everything else I left the same. So that's everything on that. All right. So now we should be done 100%. Now I want to go into the game and show you exactly what everything looks like. Okay, I also forgot to mention, if you whenever you go to your LSPDFR, you're ready to log it into the Raise plugin hook, go to your settings instead of that, and you want to change your plugin time threshold to 60,000 instead of I think it's 10,000. Change that to 60,000. Also, do not load into any plugins. I recommend don't load any plugins upon startup. Leave that as is. So change that to do not load plugins on startup. You want to do that inside the game once you press F4. So now let's dive inside the game and show you guys what all this looks like. Okay, now we're inside the game, and at the top, that's what everything looks like. Top right hand corner, and the lower left hand corner is the mini map, and that's the 4K map. That's what that looks like right there. So you click F4 for the reload. Type in reload all plugins, click tab, enter. It's going to crash the ELS the first time, so you got to do it twice. You see it crash the not the ELS but the EUP, my bad, that's the EUP menu. It crashed. So if you do it again, wait till it loads up. Okay, type in reload all plugins again. The EUP menu is the only thing that crashes on that first time you do the plugins. I don't know why it does that. I still have not figured out a way to fix that issue, but the second time once you do it, everything should work just fine. Should have no issues, no crashes. I didn't have any crashes since I've been playing this game. The only crash I've had is if I installed a mod that's outdated. That's the only time I experienced a crash. Okay, so got all this downloaded right here, going in, boom, boom. Now I go to force duty, click on this. So yep, I typed in force duty, and then I click tab on that, and then I press enter. That's how I get on duty. But now we're inside the game. Stuff still loading up. I think I did forget to mention some things as well, but I'm gonna leave that out. That's my other video about script2v and script2v.net. That's in my previous video. It'll show you how to install your scripts folder and all of that good stuff. So you want to have script2v installed in order to run the stuff inside of 5Real. So let's come over here. My simple trainer. I think I did mention the script2v, but anyway, simple trainer. I installed this as well. You can download that. I did all these added vehicles. I'm gonna do a video on the added vehicles as well. I have like so many vehicles installed, bro. Like all of these FHPs. I like every last one of them. They all look different. It's like 80 of them. Let's go ahead and teleport right quick so I can show you the map. Click on teleport, simple trainer right here, and boom. Get this down. There we go. In fact, I want to change the weather. Change the weather to, there we go. And this is how it looks with the ENB. I don't know how it looks recording this video, but right now it looks amazing. I don't know why my OBS, sometimes my games be
634, come past that car. Come past that car, make a left turn.
My OBS have my games looking like darker. I don't know why. So I don't know how the game looks on OBS. If it's darker, then that's not how it's supposed to look. But right now it looks bright and vivid, so looks good. And to also make the game look even better, you go to your settings over here, go down to display. You can change your brightness up or down. The further you go down, the better it is. See, it look way better if you go down. If you have your brightness too high, then everything will look like cloudy and just horrible, bro, horrible. But these are the vehicles that it came with. You have real life vehicles, Lexus, you have Phantoms, Toyotas, Mazda, all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. You can drive around, play around with it, and everything still works. LSPDFR works, no crashes. You may have FPS drops if you installed the wrong thing as far as your Reshade and ENB presets, but other than that, just fine, no crashes. So if I covered everything, hope I did. If I didn't, leave it down in the comments below if I missed something, and then I could tell you about it or fix the issue. So thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, y'all take care, be safe.